All right, so this is how I make my fruit and vegetable smoothie. And this is how I get my fruits and vegetables in. So honestly, I get my super greens here. And I just grab like a handful, to be completely honest. And I just shove it in that cup here. I don't normally drop it in the water. But hey, that happened today. It's all going to the same place. So I shove that in there. Maybe about like that much. That'll get it done. And next, I take one banana, pop that thing open. As such, you all guys know how to peel a banana. Throw that in that cup. As you see, peel the rest of the banana. Throw that in the cup. A little bit for me. Put it over here. Now these right here, this makes it a little sweeter. Because when you're making the green machine, you definitely want it to have some kind of good taste to it. You don't want to just drink vegetables. I know I don't. So I throw like maybe like three to four chunks in there of the mangoes. Mangoes taste good to me. Close that back up. And then I give me some pineapple chunks as well. Maybe throw like 2 in there. They're pretty big, so close that up. So it stays fresh. There we go. Flax seeds, because these are good for you. We get like 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. Throw that in there like that. Close that back up, keep it fresh. Then we have 1 cup of water. Like I said, that super green just fell in there, but it's going to the same spot. But 1 cup of water. Pour that in there like that. And I am using the Ninja Professional. I call it the Fruit Ninja. It's not called that, but I call it that. Twist that cap on. Gotta make sure it's even though. Like that. Nice and even. Then we put that thing over here. Now at this point, it's about to get really, really loud. So I'm gonna mute it. Still a little thick, so let's do it a little bit longer. All right, pop that top off. You guys can see, pop that top off. And I go ahead and put this top on immediately. Reason why is because if you accidentally knock this cup over, it is hard as hell to clean up all this green vegetable and fruit juice. Extremely hard. It makes an extreme mess. And while that's sitting there, I go ahead and wash this because I learned that if you wash it now, it's so much easier than letting it wait. And that right there is how you make a vegetable and fruit smoothie in 5 minutes. Also, if you would like to get your own Ninja Professional blending device, click the link in the description below. It's available on Amazon by clicking the link in the description below to get your very own Ninja Professional 900 watt machine. Thank you.